Jumping on the train, heading north. No coffee spilled this time. We're already winning. Cue the Olympic speedwalking. On board and into meeting mode. Yes, I can nod thoughtfully while secretly checking emails. Sitting back as we roll into York. View so good I nearly forget I have work to do. First mission, find the kiosk. It's not hide and seek, but it might as well be. Wave to the security guard. Establish trust. Definitely not dodgy. Found it. Time to measure up. Wait. Was I supposed to bring the tape measure? Back on the rails. West to Liverpool. Said properly, of course. Sketching the survey. Visuals on point as per. Picasso, but with steel frames. Past some killer graffiti, near Manchester. Off the train, into the car, on site. Visibility gear on, hat, iconic. Big progress on site. If you squint, it's nearly finished. Building twos for this site on the horizon. Bring it on. And finally, home time.